So let's just talk about class and object in Python. So classes are basically template to create object, and the objects are specific instance of the class. So we can use the class template and we can create multiple instance of that particular class. Like an example, we can create one class car, and then inside the class we can have multiple attributes. So we can define the attributes using the init function. We can pass the brand of the car, we can pass the color of the car, and then we can set the brand, and also we can set the color of the car. So these are the attributes of that particular car. And also the car can have methods. So we can have the function info, and the function will print the brand and the color of that particular car. So this is the template of a car. Now we can use the template and we can create multiple real world car. Like an example, we can create one car1, and we're gonna use the class, and we can pass the brand like Tesla and the color like red. So the car1 has the brand and the color. Now we can use car1, this is the object. So we can use the object and we can call that method. So we can call the info, and it will print that it is a Tesla with a color of red. Similarly, also we can create another car, and here we can pass the brand Toyota and a different color like blue. Now this is another object which refers to one different car. Now we can use the car2 and we can call the info function, and it will print Toyota with a blue color. So here we have defined the blueprint, and then we can use the blueprint and we can create multiple cars. So here let's just create the class car. Now inside the car we have to first initialize all of the properties. So we're gonna use the init, and the init will take the brand of the car and the color of the car. Now we're gonna use the self, and we're gonna set the brand that we receive from the parameter, and also we're gonna set the color. So we have set the brand and the color for our car. So these are all the properties. Now we have to define the functions or methods. So here we have the method info. So here we're basically going to print it is and then the color of the car. So self dot color. So we're gonna print the color, and then we're gonna print the brand. So self dot brand. So whenever we call the info method, it will print it is and then the color of the car and then the brand of the car. So we are done with defining the class, which is a template. Now let's create the real world car object. So we're gonna use the template to create the object. So let's just create the car1. So we're gonna pass, so brand is Tesla and the color is red. Now we can use the car1 object and we can call the info function. So we have the output, it is a red Tesla. Similarly, because we have the template, we can create multiple cars. So we're gonna create the car2, and the car2 is Toyota, color of blue. So we have the car2, we can call the method car2.info. Let's now run this. So you can see it is a red Tesla and it is a blue Toyota. So this way we can use the same blueprint of the class and we can create multiple car object with their own brand and own color. And that is the main concept behind the class and the object. So the class is a blueprint and the object is the real world implementation or instance of that class. So hope you understand about class and object in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.